John is doing some of the early stages of the final buffing on this 1954 Cadillac Seville double cockpit, 35 horsepower Evinrude driven, double windshield, cold molded plywood runabout. We've been working on her for some time. We re-bleached all the avodire, and in fact had to replace some of it, so the bleaching was necessary to achieve a uniform color. Right now she looks pretty cloudy, so John has finished buffing out the Cadillac, and I think you will agree that the results are rather stupendous. She's got a mirror-like finish from stem to stern.
I almost think we're going to have to route it upside down underneath the boat. Yeah, because they're in there. They're 200. Yeah, fewer layers.